Welcome to OnlineMaths TV. My name is Jakes Anema. And if you are new to this channel, kindly subscribe and turn on the bell notification button because here at OnlineMaths TV, we drop new videos every day. And any of the days we fail to drop a video, expect to the next day of it. Okay, today we have a challenge. And the question says 5 to the power of 7 minus 5 to the power of 4 equal to 3 to the power of x. What there will be the value of x? So let's take our solution. So we have here a solution. Right. We write down our question which says 5 to the power of 7 minus 5 to the power of 4 or equal to 3 to the power of x. Okay. Yeah, what we do here is this. We are having 5 to the power of 4 as the smallest number on the left hand side. So we can factor 5 to the power of 4 from this side of the equation. So let's go ahead and do that and see what this becomes of it. So we have here 5 to the power of 4. If we use 5 to the power of 4 to divide 5 to the power of 7, we'll be left with 5 to the power of 3 minus this will give us 1 close bracket or equal to 3 to the power of x. Good. Now, we ask ourselves, what is the value of 5 to the power of 3? It means 5 times 5 times 5 into 3 places, and that will give us 125. And so this is going to give us here 5 to the power of 4 bracket 125 minus 1 close bracket or equal to 3 to the power of x. If we take away 1 from 125, it's going to give us 124. So we have this to be 5 to the power of 4 bracket 124 close bracket or equal to 3 to the power of x. At this point, we can open up this bracket. And before we open up this bracket, what is the value of 5 to the power of 4? It means 5 times 5 times 5 into 4 places, and that will give us 625. And so we can now open up this to give us here 625 times 124 or equal to 3 to the power of x. We go again. So let's proceed from here. We can now multiply these two numbers together. And if we do that, this will give us your 77,500 equal to 3 to the power of x. How do we now get our x now? So we're going to take the natural log of both sides. Okay, so we introduce the in to both sides. So we have here to be in bracket between 77500 close bracket equal to in of 3 to the power of x. According to the law of logarithm, it says that if you have log m to the power of p, then move this power back. And so this is going to give us here p log m. Okay. As a matter of fact, I produced a video on the 9 major basic laws of logarithm, and it's showing up here. Okay. You can watch that video and you see this law in there. Okay. So let's proceed. If we apply that law, we're going to move this x backward here. So here we're going to have here in bracket 77,500 equal to x in 3. Okay, we're looking for x. So at this point, it's expected that we divide by what? In 3. So if we divide through by in 3, so we're going to have this to be this all over in 3 and this all over in 3. Automatically, this will go out. And so we are left with x equal to in 77500 in bracket all over in 3. So we can go ahead and make use of our calculator at this point. Okay, so if we punch this in our calculator, what is it going to give us? So let's take our calculator now. So here's our calculator. Let's punch in in 77500. So this will give us the value here, x 11.2580 divided by, let's check that of IN3. IN3 we have 1.0986. Okay, so let's go ahead and divide this and see what this gives us in turn. So we have 11.2580 divided by 1.0986. So we have this to be 10.24758 blah blah blah. So therefore, we can approximate this to, let's take it to 2 decimal places. Okay, 2 decimal places. Let's take it approximately to 3 decimal places. So we have here 10.248 approximately. Okay, so this is the value of x that will satisfy this exponential equation. Very easy. Mind you, this is going to give you an approximate value. Okay, so if you have learned something good, something special, a trick from this little exponential challenge, drop it in the comment section. And if you like what is happening in this channel, also give our video a thumbs up. Okay, do not forget to share with family members, friends, colleagues that need this knowledge. Thanks for always be there. Remember, IJ loves you so much, and all of us at OnlineMaths TV love you so much. Thanks, and keep on watching. Bye for now.